Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check for firmware updates on a Logitech MX Mechanical. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move to check for update in Logitech Options Plus. You can find this software on their official website. Click on check for update and continue with the review, and as you can see there's no updates pending for my keyboard, but actually there is. So if you want to update, click on update, and here we need to turn off our keyboard. Please look on the back side of your MX Mechanical for power switch. Turn your MX Mechanical device off and on within 30 seconds to start the firmware update. So I'm gonna power it off real quick and then power it on. Now the update has started. Okay, so the update is finished. We can click on next. And for some reason we're unable to communicate. But it works fine. So let's just skip this device and then close it, and the update is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment.